Yabare mnonga omurebi witu owa Tayari West Television abo kubasa kureba obuhereza bwitu kukira mnonga obw'amakuru agaruka urugombyanga bitari mwe na bimwe omwihangeri erizoba kanso ya district eya Rubanda yatushitamaho ahabwo murundo rwayo ogwo kubanza omu mwaka gw'ebyempiha ogw'2026 2027 kanseji yabayebembirwe omukyara Mary Waguma kandi ogu niwe speaker wa district council habwa Rubanda kandi ekyamanu mnonga ekikanseji yizire kukora kwa kuri okuhinguza obuchiko obw'abantu abari kuza kubani bebembera obuchiko butari mwe na mwe omuntunguka eyo mwaka ogu gwenyine ogw'ebyesente omu kanseji haikahona na omunyishengero w'abakyara ba district eya Rubanda urukumanywa nko mukyara Evelyn Nsima Kikafunda kandi ogu noho yabashabira ngo bonka bebembezi ba district eya Rubanda basheme kwatanisa hamwe kugira ngo district age ebase kutera entambwe omu byentunguka yayoreka ngo government eyine omuramwa gw'entunguka kandi ogurukumanywa agumize ngo abebembezi kuba kugumiza muri barebuza plans za government ezeyine nikija kubahwera omuntunguka.
Elect leaders who have gone to the Parliament of Uganda to serve, and I can confidently say Rwanda will definitely shine. But we will only shine if we work together with the local councillors. We will only progress if we work together. For those who did listen to the president's deliberations, he focused more on PDM. For those who listened to the budget reading by the Minister of Finance, there is quite a lot of money that trickles down to the local person.
Ariko ahamukoro ngogumwe twarebaho ori speaker wa district age Waguma Mary ari kushaba ba councillors kugira ngo bagire okwetegereza oku kanso sheme kubane zitambura kandi na district entunguka plan yeyine obwe bari kushoma ebihandiko ebya district development plan herize kurabwaho omwaka oguhwire ogwebye sente kandi na tam eyobwembezi eyabebembeza abatwire bariho obwe birene hendera babase kumanya development plan yibarabizeho neha kugira ngo barebe ebintu ebakubasa kuratiriza nkabebembezi bibase kubahwera omukuhereza.
We shall be operating throughout the year. As we were closing the term, we also approved the development plan for the district for the 5 years. So, honorable members, I'm telling this to you that you pick interest to read these documents because there is no way how we will operate without having the knowledge of the development plan for the 5 years of the district.
Kanso ejiye nyine eyabeshitamire rizoba twarebaho kawo wa district ari kushaba ba councillors kugira ngo batakayereba nk'abamana munonga bakebwa kwatanisa hamwe nangwana na entebekanisa ezabire zikozerwa bebembezi abo barayene bagera omubigere.
To the old members of this council, thank you for your dedicated service for the past term. Your leadership contributed to the progress we see today in our education department, the health services, roads, water supply, agriculture, and other sectors. Every generation of leaders builds upon the foundation laid by those before them.
Abitu kandi mu kanso yerizoba twarebaho nangwa nori RDC wa district eje ya Rubanda ariko reka okukwatwaho ahamurengo ogu esindo ekwasira hansi na higuru omu district ya Rubanda gumize ngo abantu bingi behiremu ogu kunywa marwa entungu ko mu district ya Gumane garuka hansi yashaba bebembezi kugira ngo bateho omuringo ogu bakubasa kurwanisa mu enkozesa mbi ya marwa omu district eje nangwa nebitokoza bwongwe bindi ebiri mu kenjaga ebikwasira hansi na higuru omu district ya Rubanda.
But if you must drink alcohol, you should be advised to reduce on the volume, instead of tanking a whole crate. I don't know, I've not seen crates of beer. I see funny bottles Waraj and other things. Reduce on the volume and the time spent in the bars. The DPC is here, the DISO is here. We are planning.
twarebaho n'abakansarazi abarukore ko kwatwaho aharuguto orwa Lake Bunyonyi Kabale Road oru contractor yabase kwana asigaho kandi urutwire tuteko mu makuru gitu gatargamwe na gamwe bashaba ngo government egumizemo eyongeremo speed omukuleta contractor ndijo obubaraganise kutaho kugira ngo rugutoru rubase kugumiza muno rukorwa ne
hagataho baheza kucukura kamara makakalimu batamuza hamps zingana hahona enkuto yona yacu kukayaba nkenshi bagikozire kikorogero nk'ekyente aba emoto tractors zona zagenda contractor tituramanye cyatumire yagenda hati twerarikirire munonga murobubwire bwo mushana hari kubamo accidents nyingi habwo kuba harimo mucucu mwingi
kugira ngo urugudo so far izi ni contracts ibire zishazirwemo hariho kubanza ijyo bakagishaza mu batakatandikira ahubwo bakakirirwa kutandika contract je recently basharizemo ibiri contract ya kabiri ikiratuma bashaza mezo contract itu hano local turakimanya because ito what we honor no kugira government ekatorgudo kandi speaker ije ya commissioninga uruguto twategeza ngo bakore barakora ukaci bemereza bakore ukaci bemereza
bingiye byagambwaho mu kanseji bitu kandi nsagumantu bikwisi aho byona bitari mwe na mwe omakuru gitu gatargamwe na gamwe hanu ya mu district ya Rubanda indi job na manya apuri kangaruze yo studios ogumize muno rebo bohereza bwitu otarugaho.